In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, brother, our Muslim brothers, you know, today a lot of young boys, young girls, very interested to make short message like stories. They're making 20 minutes or 10, 15 minutes stories like short. They're giving some very good message like to our check character and our manners and our behavior with other people. If someone rude, they teach lesson like that kind of videos they're making. Lot of young boys, especially in India, because we lost our manners. And the point is, they have very good message to give to lesson like for others, but they forgot religion. Because if they make videos, they don't want to be show, Hindu particularly, or Christian or Muslim or Sikhism. That kind of religion, they not have issue to make these videos. They have common issue like for all mankind, and young generation especially, they don't have, manners. We used to be in our Islam, Muslims in India, we have akhlaqiyat, one subject. Akhlaqiyat means character subject. We have used to be in India, in the Muslim madrasa, even the Muslim Islamic colleges also. Up to universities we have colleges and university, up to we have those days, and today they take out that akhlaqiyat subject and class. So new generation, they want to be teach, especially I saw equality, they talking. Suppose if the boy saw girl and he want to be flirt with girl like, and he wants to be giving invitation like for him, can you make me friendship with me, or can you marry me, like this kind of they have new generation message. Most of them, 99% they make this, and they want to be say, especially boys is a worse like, and they don't want to be say, girls is a worse than boys, because they gauzing, but they not come front of boys. So they flirt boys, and that's why I think they have big trouble like. They give to ultimatum, if you bother me, I am gonna call cops, and cops no doubt, police department no doubt they help women. Because one time here, one husband in the bed, he giving hard time for women, and she catch his penis and take out that in the night time. And that penis take out means that only blood is coming over there, and you can't giant like, and the guy is in in the trouble, and bleeding, and he cried, and he went hospital. After that, both they went, I think, court give to decision for favor like woman, because he give to her hard time, just like rape is that. Every day he bother her. So she told in the court, this man, I say I'm tired, I don't want to be go for sex, but nobody favor man, they favor women. So we respect women and we have good manners. Long time ago, even you can see our movies 50 years back too, we have such a good manners. Especially hero is a hero. Today hero is a villain in the movies. And they have, 4 girls, friends like, and they married and they don't care, other women they keep. So this kind of situation came in our India. So if Muslims very smart, suppose young boys, young girls, if they smart, they can show Islamic character. That's why I'm making this video. They can show Islamic character. Our character is a good, like, best character like in Islam. That's why Islam spread in Asia, especially Indonesia, good character. They represent good character. Even in India, our saints, they represent good character and they have patience. You can see today Delhi, one saint, Dargah, Shrine, tomb, they want to be take out and they use 11, I think bulldozers. And 4 is not working because Allah showed the miracle. This is the present story, recent story. And you can see that. But drawback is, my Muslim brothers, miracle stories also you can show in, in English. Because lot of, in America, atheist people, they don't go, churches. Canada and America, they don't go churches. And they proudly they says we are atheists. But I researched that lot of atheists become Muslim in America and Canada and Europe. Their parents or their grandparents or some wife or husband pass away, siblings or relatives pass away. So after they take lesson, say, oh my God, one day I die too. So what is my purpose of life? So they research and Allah give it to the Islam and they become Muslim because of Quran. Brother, this is very good example to understand. Even whoever they making videos, at least they can say anybody to, can you interpret, you can take that and tell him to make, English story side by side. Suppose if you making Urdu Hindi video and tell these guys, they give to, subtitle English. At least they can understand what is the happen, what miracle is that, how come saints is alive like. I just want to be say, my Muslim brothers, Islam is a true. I saw 5 miracles, saints miracle. This video is, become already long. So my short story, saints still they showing miracles. In India, you can't see in Hinduism or Buddhism or Christianity or Jewishism. Only saints, real stories, Allah friends, only in Islam. And this is why I say, because you can check that Hinduism, they can't prove God. They have idols. Same thing, Christians, they can't prove God. They have Jesus idol and Mary idol. Even Jewish, they peanuts like in this earth, they can't prove too. they have God or they have one country, single country like. So Allah punished that non-believers. Only Muslims can show miracles, saints. Already they're not alive, they already pass away. Allahu Akbar.